Umpires, please let us know if you are ready for the match. If the players are set or not. Do let us know so we can get officially started with the first ball. Can I have a representative? I request from the team representation. Can I have one representative from each team over here? We have on strike Ayan, and supporting him and partnering him on strike is Ved. The bowler for him is Kavish. कविश लेके आ रहे हैं हमारे लिए पहला ओवर. जोरदार तालियां. कम ऑन अंपायर्स, आर यू रेडी? अंपायर्स, अंपायर्स आर यू रेडी? प्लेयर्स आर यू रेडी? जोर से बोलो. कैन वी गेट स्टार्टेड नाउ? जोरदार तालियां. पहले बॉल के पहले जोरदार तालियां. कम ऑन. ब्लास्टर्स लायंस, ब्लास्टर्स लायंस. अंपायर रेडी है? Okay. Now we are heading for the first ball. The first ball has been given as a white ball. The second ball is a dot ball. Great bowling by Kavish. And we have the first wicket of the tournament. The batsman has been bowled, has been taken up to the cleaners. What a ball by Kavish. What a lovely delivery it was. Kavish taking the batsman to the cleaners. Oh, what a lovely bowling. He has a spin like Shane Warne. Shomek in action. In batting. Kavish ready to bowl again. A very good drive by the batsman. And it's been well fielded. Kavish in action again for bowling. It's a wonderful ball. It's not been given as a wide, so it's a dot ball. Kavish की यहाँ पे बेहतरीन bowling चल रही है. He's spinning the ball like a web. Next ball. Kavish balls it and it's a nice slog. 2 runs have been declared by the umpire. 2 runs. Shomek in strike against Kavish. Kavish bowls him a loopy full toss. And then Shomek heaves him and it's been out. Oh my God. That's a double blow for the Blasters. For the Lions, I beg your pardon. Once with the second over. Oh, it's been well played and well dealt with. Wade, it's a full toss and it's been heaved onto the leg side, but it's a dot ball again. Once has two deliveries, he has bowled in two dot balls. We are in the second over of the first innings of the first match. Oh, that was a wonderful ball as well. It's been given as one bise. With the next ball, it's been very well dealt. Oh, very well fielded by the fielder. It's one run. Last two balls to go. With bowling, the batsmen were hesitant to take the single, so we have a dot again. Vansh with one ball to go in his over. Oh, what a ball that was! It was a fast and fuming delivery. So we are 2 overs down. 2 overs down. The CPL Lions are 5 runs with 2 wickets. The third over. Oh, it's been wonderful hit shot and it's been up to the roof. It's a no ball by Moria. Moria with the third over. He bowls a no ball on his second chance. It's a free hit. First free hit of the tournament. Let's see what the batsman pays the price. Oh, that's a dot ball. Missing on a free hit. Moria with the next ball. Can we see some slog from the batsman? The batsman goes for the slog. And he hits the roof again. The 2 runs conceded on this ball. The next ball again by Moria. It's been a loopy full toss, but the batsman misses and he gets. Oh, कहानी में twist. कहानी में twist आया. यहाँ पे no ball दिया गया है umpire के द्वारा. So the batsman is going to get a gift, and the gift is in the form of a free hit. Let's see now what the batsman has the answer against Moria. फ्री हिट का बॉल है यहाँ पे. ये हिट नहीं कर पाए हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे मिस किया है यहाँ पे बॉल. Batsmen are looking. Oh my God! It's been given as a dead ball. Again, the free hit comes in arrival, but that's been missed. Only 1 run conceded for the free hit. Very good bowling by Moria as well. Oh, very well shot. रूफ को यहाँ पे लगते हुए. Next ball by Moria again. It's a full toss. It's been flicked away in the hands of the fielder and very well fielded by the fielder as well. We are in completion of the third over. The third over. In completion of the third over, the score is 12 runs for 3 wickets. Once with the fourth over again. Oh, that was a risky miss. But the umpire signaled a no ball on the first ball. So it's a free hit again. Batsman को यहाँ पे gift मिलता हुआ. देखते हैं batsman इस gift का कैसा उपयोग करते हैं. Oh, that's a miss. No runs considered on the free hit. Can we go on for the next ball? Oh. That's a wide again. That's a wide again. So batsman getting the gifts in the form of the extras. Next ball. Oh, that's been heaved away. Roof को लगता हुआ. यहाँ पे run out हो सकता क्या? और ये दिलचस्प मामला और ये out. The batsman is run out. Very well fielded and very well thrown by the fielder as well. We have 4th wicket down for the CPL Lions. What a wonderful fielding. Next ball. It's a wide ball again. Wide wicket, wide dot. यहाँ पे सिलसिला चालू है इस ओवर का. Oh, what a wonderful shot that is! It's a boundary. The first boundary of the tournament has been hit by the batsman. Ved hitting the boundary of the tournament. Again, he used the ball. And it's a 6. DJ, can we have the music, please? Oh, what a shot he's been hitting. And he's been hitting by Bairstow from yesterday. यहाँ पे क्या बैटिंग का मुजाहरा करते हुए वेद, मतलब वेद लागले रन से असे म्हणता है थे आता. The next ball, and again he goes for the heave, and the batsman hits 1 run. Wonderful batting display. He's been slogging 6s, 4s. Next ball, again it's been signaled as wide. Bowler यहाँ पे प्रेशर में आते हुए यहाँ पे सीरियस प्रेशर उनको लाया गया है बैट्समैन द्वारा. Oh, what a wonderful shot! It's been dropped by the fielder. No worries. We have some glitch with the score. 1 minute, I request 1 minute to hold, please. We are getting in action with the scoreboard. I request to hold for a while. Okay, the score after 4 overs is, it's 29 for 3 after 4 overs. So this is the final over which is going to be bowled. Once again with the final over. It's a super over. सुपर ओवर चल रहा है यहाँ पे, फाइनल ओवर चल रही है, तो बैट्समैन ज्यादा से ज्यादा स्कोर करने को चाहेंगे. Oh, it's a no ball again. So can we have the free hit, please? The umpire has signaled it's a free hit. Now let's see what the batsman goes for. Oh, it's been hit and very well dealt with. Batsman has been hitting to all the parts of the ground. Now he has hit the ball to the cow corner, for which he will fetch 2 runs. Next ball, the batsman hits it. It's a tap ball. Oh, what a wonderful dive it was. He's been appealed for a run out. Is it a run out, umpire? Run out? No. Next ball by once again. It's a wide ball. Next up, once again to the batsman. Oh, what a wonderful shot. Has been heaved away on the covers. 1 run declared by the umpire. Wonderful batting as well. Oh, it's a helicopter shot. And it's 4 again. What a shot. DJ in town, please. DJ, 4 लगा है. आपका भी गाना लगने दो. Next ball by once again. Oh, it's been. Oh, the batsman misses the photographer. त्यांचे चांगले फोटो काढा. तुम्हाला ते शॉट वर सांगतात. Okay, so the bowling team conceded 12 runs in total, but it being a super over, we will calculate double of it. That means it was a super over. 12 रन के आ गए हम लोग को 24 रन, क्योंकि ये सुपर ओवर थी. 12 रन के हो गए डबल, यानी आए 24 रन. लास्ट ओव्हर ही सुपर ओव्हर असल्यामुळे 12 रनचे मिळालेले आहेत बॅटिंग टीमला 24 रन. त्याच्यामुळे टोटल झालेली आहे आफ्टर 5 ओव्हर्स. द स्कोर इज IPL Blasters will require 53 runs to win in their batting tally. DJ, can we have you in town? I request CPL Lions to get on the field as quickly as possible. CPL Lions, जल्दी से जल्दी अपनी fielding लगवाए. CPL Lions, जल्दी से जल्दी get on the field and start with the match and start with the proceedings. Blasters, where is your... Yeah. We have both the openers of the Blasters. I request CPL Lions, जल्दी से fielding लगवाए. CPL Lions to come on field and get the match started ASAP. ओके सीपीएल लायंस यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए. सीपीएल लायंस यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए. ब्लास्टर्स का ये इंपैक्ट प्लेयर चल रहा है. ब्लास्टर्स का ये इंपैक्ट प्लेयर चल रहा है. तो इंपैक्ट प्लेयर जितना रन मारेगा उसका डबल हो जाएगा. इंपैक्ट प्लेयर चल रहा है सीपीएल ब्लास्टर्स का. द बैट्समैन ऑफ द सीपीएल ब्लास्टर्स इज एन इंपैक्ट प्लेयर. सो द रन्स विल बी डबल एज ही हिट्स इट. ओके, इसका रन्स डबल होगा. जितना ये रन मारेगा इंपैक्ट प्लेयर उसका डबल होने वाला है. सभी टीम्स यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए. इंपैक्ट प्लेयर जितना रन मारता है जिस बॉल पे उसका डबल होने वाला है. ओके, the impact player playing is Utkarsh Kedia, and assisting him is the next batsman. The non-striker is Pradnesh, and bowling to him is Rajveer. Come on, CPL Lions versus CPL Blasters. Come on, the first ball. Rajveer bowls him to the impact player. Oh, no signal from the umpire. So it's dot. Rajveer bowling with a mastermind. The next ball. Oh, what a shot. It's been lovely driven along the carpet. 1 run. So in total we have 2 runs. Rajveer again with the ball to the next batsman of the Blasters. Oh, it's been gone as a dot. What a wonderful bowling. He's been spinning to all parts of the ground. Rajveer in action for the next ball again. And the batsman slogs it for 1 run. 1 run दौड़ के निकालते हुए यहाँ पे CPL Blasters की team. The next ball again to the impact batsman. Oh, along the carpet. Hits it for 1 run. Can we have the overthrows? यहाँ पे overthrow है क्या umpire? No signal by the umpire. Only 1 run considered. So in total 2 runs. One plus one. Next ball. Rajveer comes up with the bowling. Oh! I suspect it was a googly from Rajveer. The batsman not able to read the bowling from Rajveer. Rajveer Afbain with the next ball. The batsman again trying to heave it but left alone as it was a wide. The wide has been given by the umpire. Plus buys. Next ball from Rajveer again. Oh, tries to heave it but misses it by the whisker. Rajveer with the whistles and with the oohs and the ahs. 1 over up. 1 over up, and the CPL Lions have conceded 6 runs against the Blasters. I request the DJ, whenever the overs we are getting in middle of the overs, you can push on with the music. 2 overs के बीच में जब विकेट जाती है, जब फोर्स लगता है, okay, when up with the second over, the ball, Kian with the ball again. First ball, oh, it was a catch, but oh my God, what I see over here. It's been deflected for 4. DJ, can we have you in the house? पहला चौका लगता हुआ यहाँ पे ब्लास्टर्स का, मनोबल बढ़ता हुआ यहाँ पे ब्लास्टर्स का. जोरदार तालियां, come on players sitting over there, जोरदार तालियां, come on, cheer up for your team guys. Okay, the batsman has hit the 4 runs, but the batsman being an impact player, इसके होने वाले हैं 8 रन. ब्लास्टर्स को मिले यहाँ पे 1 बॉल के लिए 8 रन. The next ball in queue, in readiness from Kian. कियान यहाँ पे देखते हैं क्या कुछ कमबैक कर पाएंगे क्या. पहले ही बॉल पे 8 रन लग चुके हैं. क्या कियान यहाँ पे कमबैक कर पाएंगे. अप विद द नेक्स्ट बॉल. द बैट्समैन इन रेडीनेस विद द फुल फ्लो. ओह बट इट्स अ वाइड अगेन. इट्स अ वाइड अगेन. क्या कियान यहाँ पे प्रेशर सोक कर पाएंगे. जाने के लिए देखते हैं. चैंपियंस प्रीमियर लीग 2024 एंड इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर का इम्पैक्ट हुआ खत्म और यहाँ पे चालू हुआ सीपीएल लायंस का सितम. The Blasters lose their first wicket. The next batsman is Shaurya. कियान विद रेडीनेस. कियान एक विकेट मिल चुकी है. देखते हैं कियान यहाँ पे कैसे कमबैक करते हैं और कमबैक तो किया है. अभी देखते हैं शौर्य की शौर्य कथा. फर्स्ट बॉल. ओ कियान ने इतना दिल पे लिया वो 4 के बाद कि एक के ऊपर एक विकेट निकलते जा रहे हैं और सीपीएल लायंस आर रोरिंग इन देयर डेन. The next batsman of the Blasters is Vansh. The next batsman Kian onto the ball. Oh यहाँ पे हवे में था. रूफ को लगा. कियान रेडी थे यहाँ पे कैच पकड़ने के लिए लेकिन रूफ ने वहां पे रोक लिया. वेरी गुड बॉलिंग बाय कियान. बहुत ही बैलेंस्ड मैच यहाँ पे चलता हुआ बिटवीन ब्लास्टर्स एंड लायंस. देखते हैं अब कियान उनका जादुई मामला यहाँ पे कर पाते हैं कि नहीं. व्हाट अ वंडरफुल बॉलिंग. कम ऑन लायंस. जोरदार ताली अपने बॉलर को. अपने बॉलर को यहाँ पे बैक करो. कम ऑन ब्लास्टर्स. यू हैव अ चांस अगेन. कैन यू हिट इट. It's a wonderful bowling. One in, one on, one in, one on. Kian bowls a wonderful over by conceding few runs in his over. We have the second over done and dusted of the Lions. The scoreboard is after 2 overs 16 for 2 wickets. 3 ओवर बाकी है यहाँ पे ब्लास्टर्स को अपना रन्स चेस करने के लिए. The next match we are going to have is CPL Warriors versus CPL Strikers. CPL Warriors versus CPL Strikers. अगला होने वाला मुकाबला. Wade in action for the CPL Lions against CPL Blasters. The batsman. Oh, is it? Oh, the catch has been dropped. We had a second chance of the run out, but it's been missed by Mr. Wade. It's no ball by Wade. It's a free hit. A gift मिलता हुआ यहाँ पे BCL CPL Blasters को. It's a wide ball again. It's a wide ball again. By conceding extras, you're giving up the upper hand to the batsman. One run conceded as a leg by CPL Blasters. Can we see some of the fireworks from you? Come on, CPL Blasters. Oh, it's been hit. Oh, wonderful and a mammoth shot. जैसे ही बोला, जैसा ही चैलेंज किया, बैट्समैन ने दिल पे लिया और बजा डाला कान के नीचे. सनसनाती छक्का. और ऐसे ही चलता रहा तो यहाँ पे एक नेल बाइटर मैच हम लोग को देखने वाली है. Oh, wanted to strike it, but रिंगा रिंगा रोजेस यहाँ पे हुआ. It's a wide. So CPL Blasters need 28 runs in 14 balls. 14 बॉल में 28 रन की जरूरत। यहाँ पे सीपीएल ब्लास्टर्स को देखना यह है कि क्या सीपीएल ब्लास्टर्स वो कर पाएंगे। अगेन इट्स अ नो बॉल। ओ एंड इट्स बीन हिट, इट्स बीन हिट, इट्स बीन हिट, इट्स बीन हिट फॉर अ 4 और 6. कम ऑन अंपायर, 4 है की 6 है? 6 आहे, म्हणजे 6 रन मिळालेले आहेत, प्लस नो बॉल प्लस फ्री हिट. फ्री हिट फ्रॉम वेद. What a shot! It's been hit for 6. लगातार 2 छक्के और इनके इरादे दिख रहे हैं पक्के. यहाँ पे बैट्समैन जीतकर ही सांसों में सांस लेने वाले हैं. Again, Ved onto the ball. It's a wide ball. Can Ved soak up to the pressure as Kian did? Ved यहाँ पे प्रेशर में दिख रहे हैं. क्या वो प्रेशर सोक कर पाएंगे? बैट्समैन यहाँ पे हीव करना चाहते थे. 1 रन यहाँ पे बाय का आता हुआ. And we are moving on to the nail biter between the CPL Blasters and CPL Lions. After 3 overs, the CPL Blasters, the score is 40. 12 balls, 13 runs needed. The Blasters need 13 runs in 12 balls. 13 रनों की जरूरत 12 बॉल्स में. राजवीर ऑन टू द बॉल. यहाँ पे अगर ओवर कुछ खासी अच्छी निकाली तो लायंस को एक अपर एडवांटेज मिल सकता है, वरना ब्लास्टर्स विल जस्ट क्लीन अप द लायंस. 12 गेंदे और 13 रनों की जरूरत. कैन वी सी राजवीर विथ हिज स्पिनिंग वेब? राजवीर ऑन टू द बॉल विद द 4th ओवर. It's been dealt onto the leg side for 1 run. Next ball by Rajveer again. It's been signaled as a wide. Come on, Rajveer. We want some special deliveries. We want some dots from you. And it's oh, यहाँ पे बेहतरीन गूगली का इस्तेमाल करते हुए बैट्समैन को चकाया. बैट्समैन यहाँ पे छोड़ना चाहते थे वाइड के लिए, लेकिन डॉट का स्वरूप यहाँ पे आया. Oh, what a wonderful shot onto the roof. The batsman gets on with a single. Blasters are just moving on with the carpet. And we see a twist over here. An anticlimax from the batting team. The batsman is out. And some respite for the CPL Lions. माहिर और उसके सामने सीपीएल लायंस के इमरान ताहिर. राजवीर on to the next ball, and it's a dot again. It's a dot again, and the leg umpire gives it out. Oh my God! ब्लास्टर्स के बैट्समैन यहाँ पे चारों खाने चित हो रहे हैं. स्टंपिंग यहाँ पे हो चुके हैं बैट्समैन. लायंस आर इन द हंट अगेन. ब्लास्टर्स को यहाँ पे पेशेंट रहना है. पेशेंस का इस्तेमाल करके यहाँ पे अलोंग द लाइन यहाँ पे मार्च करना है, पर ब्लास्टर्स यहाँ पे विकेट खो रहे हैं. So we need 9 runs in 7 balls for the Blasters. The required sum is 9 runs in 7 balls. Can we have a nail bite over here? Rajveer with the next ball. It's been hit onto the... Oh, it's a catch. Oh my God, Rajveer has taken a hat-trick. Rajveer has taken a hat-trick, the first hat-trick of the tournament. Congratulations, Rajveer. I request the umpire to hold on the proceedings. We are getting the score up. बहुत ही करारा मुकाबला यहाँ पे चलता हुआ. Okay. Listen to the scores. The Blasters require 9 runs of the 6 deliveries. 9 रन चाहिए उनको. 6 गेंदों में उनको 9 रन की जरूरत है. और क्या ये सुपर ओवर है? ये सुपर ओवर चल रही है तो ब्लास्टर्स के लिए बहुत ही आसान है. पर अगर लायंस ने यहाँ पे अच्छी बॉलिंग डाली तो लायंस की जीत भी हो सकती है. On to the proceedings. Coming on to the proceedings. ओके यहाँ पे फिर से एक बार मैं दोहरा रहा हूं. सीपीएल ब्लास्टर्स, यू ऑल रिक्वायर 9 रन्स इन 6 डिलीवरीज. 6 गेंदों में 9 रन की जरूरत है. ये सुपर ओवर है. पर यहाँ पे four balls and the last wicket in their hand. स्कोर मांगते हो भाई. 4 balls, 9 runs required for the Blasters. The Blasters needed 9 runs in 4 balls. Next ball. by the bowler. It's been heaved away. Can we see? Oh my God! It was a mere fraction away from a six. It's been hit for 2 runs. What a wonderful display by the batsman. Last moment tak छोड़ेंगे नहीं. Next. Oh, it's been signaled as dead ball. It's been signaled as dead ball. The next ball again by the bowler. It is declared as a white ball.